Every successful organization rests on a strong foundation, and in asset management, that foundation is policy. A well-crafted asset management policy is not just a piece of paper. It is a guiding star that defines how decisions are made, how responsibilities are shared, and how value is delivered. Without a clear policy, organizations often fall into reactive spending, emergency repairs, and wasted investment. But when a policy is crafted the ISO 55001 way, assets stop being liabilities and start becoming engines of efficiency, financial growth, and sustainability. Why asset management policy matters? A policy sets the tone for the entire organization. It is a promise of commitment from leadership that assets will be managed with responsibility and foresight. Without it, decisions often become inconsistent and fragmented, leading to higher cost and reduced reliability. Imagine a utility company that spends millions each year on emergency repairs simply because no policy exists to enforce preventive maintenance. An asset management policy eliminates this chaos by providing clarity, direction, and accountability. ISO 55001 begins with this principle. Leadership commitment starts with a strong policy. Now let's discuss how to craft the perfect policy step by step. Crafting a strong policy requires clarity and structure. Define purpose. The policy should state why asset management is important, such as ensuring infrastructure safety or improving sustainability. Align with the strategy. It must link with the organizational goals so that asset decisions support long-term success. Identify scope. Define which assets are covered, whether physical, digital, or financial. Commit to compliance. Demonstrate alignment with ISO 55001 legal and regulatory requirements. Set responsibilities. Assign clear ownership and accountability at every level. Build in sustainability. Ensure the policy reflects energy efficiency, climate resilience, and environmental impact. Plan for review. Establish a regular review cycle so the policy evolves with the organization. Now, common mistakes to avoid. Many organizations fail at policy making because of avoidable mistakes. Some policies are too generic, copied from templates, and disconnected from the organization's real context. Others are too technical, filled with jargon that employees cannot understand. Some suffer from no leadership buy-in, where management signs the policy but never enforces it. And often policies are written once but never reviewed, becoming outdated within a few years. A city authority once drafted a comprehensive policy but ignored reviews. Within 5 years, their infrastructure cost had doubled due to poor alignment. These failures highlight why an ISO 55001 policy must remain practical, relevant, and dynamic. Now let's discuss about the future of asset management policies. The future of asset management lies in policies that combine ISO 55001 principles with technology and sustainability. AI, IoT, and digital twins are giving organizations real-time insight into asset health. Climate change is forcing companies to embed resilience into policies. Investors and regulators are demanding transparency about how assets impact financial and environmental performance. In this landscape, ISO 55001 aligned policies are not optional. They are essential for survival and long-term growth. So, crafting the perfect asset management policy is not about filling pages with words. It is about shaping a vision that connects leadership, employees, and communities with the assets they rely on. A strong policy aligns with ISO 55001, reflects organizational goals, and evolves over time. It transforms assets from cost into opportunities and ensures resilience for the future. The question every organization must ask is, will your asset management policy be just words on paper, or will it be the guiding star that drives your future? ISO 55001 provides the framework, the rest is up to you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNP Academy.